Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be looking into Bootstrap latest version, that is 5.0.0 beta version. So again, just we'll be working on repel.it. So I'll just download the files and I'll upload them. So just click on download. You will get a zip file. Zip file contains CSS and JavaScript files. CSS has these files, and then JavaScript has bootstrap.bundle or bootstrap.esm or bootstrap.js or bootstrap.min.js files. If not, we can just go with the CDNs, which we usually do. Just copy it, just paste CSS in the head and JS in the body. So you can even copy the popper one. Just copy this, replace this. So we have integrated CDN files here. So in the next video we'll start seeing what are the options we have in Bootstrap 5 compared to Bootstrap 4. Stay tuned. Bye.